Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in on IMVU. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, tap on Login at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and type in your email. Next, go ahead and type in your password. Once you're done, go ahead and tap on Login. And that's it. Now you have successfully logged in on IMVU. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.